Got one. Got one for sure. I know that thump. There we go. A little guy, maybe. Not that big. Not fighting very hard. Oh no. He's good size. Oh yeah. That's keeper for sure. I knew if I just kept working this bank right here, along this bank, just keep drifting, I'd come up with one. Alright, let me set my anchor, that way I can keep pitching at that spot, because usually when you catch one in that area, you want to pitch that area again. There's going to be more than one there, typically. Not always, just that's my experience in the past, just pitch back at it. Bound to be another one right there in that same spot. Let's get an official measurement. See how big you actually are. $16 3/4. Not bad. I'll take them. No giant. I'm trying to get two and go home. All right, last cast and we'll move on. Okay, moving on. Something. Yeah. Huh, little red. Boy, he eating some shrimp. A pretty little red. There we go. A little trout. That's crazy. I heard him, tossed at it and caught it. Oh, he inhaled it too. Good lordy. Oh no, you're good. You're good. Mm-hmm. Not bad. Well, I guess he didn't want to get a measurement. All right, I'm good with that. They look a little too small anyways. I always like to make sure. Well, that's it for today. Only managed to catch one flounder, but it's all good. I'll get him next time. Still trying to learn this place. The lock here is pretty cool. It's not a bad little spot. It's got a lot of little cuts and stuff like that.